Oh, you really want to know what really grinds my gears these days? It's these absolutely unhinged pretend founders. You know the ones. They slide into your DMs or post on LinkedIn like they're building the next OpenAI meets Uber for AI powered coffee machines. And they're looking for a CTO, not just any CTO. They want a full stack god, blockchain, AI, DevOps, team builder, product whisperer, all rolled into one guy who's, by the way, supposed to be willing to code everything by hand, build the entire team from scratch, deploy the prod every night with zero infrastructure, and wait for it, and this is the best part, on a $0 budget. Zero, zilch, nada. And they say this with the calm, dead-eye confidence of someone who just got done talking to their toaster and thinks it's giving them startup advice. So, yeah, we don't have any funding yet, and we can't pay anyone. But we need someone who can build the product, set the architecture, recruit the team, and handle infra, all the while managing junior devs from a different time zones. Oh, and you'll get equity. Huge upside, bro. Huge. You're sitting there trying not to blink too loud because this man is clearly in the middle of a manic episode and you don't want to startle him. He's pitching this to you like it's normal. Like this is how Google got started, except Google actually had a server, some money, and sanity. They expect you, a 20 plus year seasoned technologist, to drop everything, take full accountability, architect, and ship the entire thing, while also playing recruiter, QA, DevOps, and probably therapist to their unpaid intern, all with no money. Like this is Startup Survivor Island, and you're gonna bootstrap your way to $1 billion with a pack of post-its and some good energy. Let's talk about this equity, really. It's not real equity. It's promises of future pretend money in a company with no customers, no product, and a valid valuation built entirely out of LinkedIn cloud and cocaine confidence. You'd be better off investing in magic beans and a scratch ticket. This isn't just insulting, it's deranged. You know what? It's offensive to every real CTO who's bled to scale systems, mentored teams, fought fires at prod in 2 a.m., and knows what SOC 2 compliance actually means. And the damage? It's real. Every time one of these tech cult morons pulls their stunts and erodes trust in the role, now every junior dev thinks they're being a CTO means being an unpaid GitHub janitor for a wannabe influencer who once heard the word AI on a podcast. So listen, Chad. If you're asking for a seasoned executive to build your entire product, grow your team, scale your tech, and own all the risk with zero budget, and your compensation plan is vibes and vision, then you're not a founder. You're a narcissist with Google Sheets and an emotional support pitch deck. So do us all a favor. Take your fake equity, your unpaid CTO job, your voice note full of buzzwords, and your deck with AI written in Comic Sans, and shove it so far up your cap table you start vesting delusions. That's what grinds my gears.